Oh wait, maybe I wasn't taking a video. I guess I'm taking a video now. I don't know what I'm doing. We are on our way to go look at an old Airstream. We still absolutely love the Tramper, but it's just getting hard for me to crawl over Tim to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night, and just, I don't know, wanting a little bit more room. So we're gonna see what we can see on this thing. From the research that I've done, in mid-57, 1957, they changed from a 13 panel to a 7 panel end caps. So this has the 7 panel end caps. But in mid-58, they started adding dates to, like, the date of manufacture. This does not have the date of manufacture on its serial plate, or whatever you would call that over there. She's got a few bumps and kinks, but
looks like I got
just towed an hour away.
a new creation for awning.
There you go. What are we going to come up with this time? I just think it's the cutest little thing ever.
And these are the brackets for the awning. Looks like they were cut off. So I'll have to figure out. I'm going to look online and see what they look like and come up with an idea.
She's got a little mold on her backside.
No, that's moss.
Moss?
Yeah.
We had a boat with moss on it too. Look,
These will be working.
still says
Taking those off.
Airstream. Oops, you got to get the light just right though. There it is.
Okay.
What are you gonna do, hon?
I'm going to make these work. Take these off.
Making it work. That's what we do.
I may light these up too.
Oh, I would definitely like that. We don't want anybody to hit it. It's made it this long. So how old is this thing?
Looks like I'm going to be fabricating windows.
62 years old? No. Amy, do math. I'm not mathing today.
I'll replace all these with lighted marker lights. Try to get back to the original. I don't think this is original. I think they were the bullet. I think the original were bullet, but I'm not positive.
Oh, that one's busted, huh?
Well, see this here?
Oh, yeah.
So that's not the original.
Truth.
I want to go back to original if I can.
Well, I
Believe
mean,
it or not,
and
you can go to Harbor Freight and get a lot of stuff for a camper like this that they just sell on the shelves.
And our goal is to make it usable for us. We do plan to change the floor plan and not restore to original, but restore to usable.
I have no clue what this is at all.
Oh, okay. Does anybody know what this is for? I wonder if there was like a front awning or something, but it goes through.
Yeah,
Like-
it's like a water fill or water vent or
got a little
something.
hole in
Maybe it
there.
was a fill for potable water. I don't know.
In the front like that? That doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make sense. That's why I don't get it. It's too high for a urinal.
I don't know, depends.
And I don't,
Got to
this-
stand on the step.
This is pretty interesting.
What?
This whole hit system. I've not seen a. I wonder what size. I wonder if that is 2-inch or that almost looks looks like 1 7/8.
It got delivered here to us this morning.
looks like it's been
Shout out to
welded.
Joel and Kelly. Okay, here we are
Freezing.
in our new project. Best we can tell, it is a 1958 Airstream Flying Cloud 22. So that's 22 feet from tongue to tail. Comes with a bird nest.
And 4 layers.
And bird poop. 4 layers of rotted floor. But it has all of its skins. It's inside and outside skins.
Looks like we're gonna have
Doesn't
to,
have all of its windows.
we'll have to pull these rivets and redo them because they're popped out.
At least some of them.
Um,
It has original countertop, though the cabinet facings are decidedly not original. And I think the original stove and oven, we're anxious to see if, curious to see if that works or not. The vent. There's venting and the light. I sure wish the light cover was there, but it's not. We have no idea what's going on over here with this
this was the gas heater.
odd red paint.
Originally there was a gas heater. You can
Comes
see
with
the,
some glass for the windows.
You can see.
Oh yeah,
the
that's where
stain.
that heater was, the original heater.
And it looked like it was a
There's a
small
little
door here on the hinge.
I think that may have been a closet of some sort.
Yeah.
And I think a fridge probably went here. There's some storage here. Another little storage there.
But all this is getting gutted.
Yeah, we're gonna gut the whole thing and change the floor plan some.
Repair some of the roof openings.
Got, whoops, storage here. That's right next to the galley. And I think that this was originally a bed that went over to this thing, the nightstand thing. And there's where the original, missing a few windows, but it got a little shower thing in. The original shower pan. I don't know, maybe we'll try to use that some too. I'd say the paint's not original, but all the skins are there. What do you think, Tim?
It's going to be a project, but then again, on our channel, there's nothing that hasn't been a project.
We are looking forward to it, actually.
If it wasn't so cold, I'd be starting on it today.
Well, we're going into winter, so, you know.
Yeah, no, the wind is like blistering Wisconsin.
We're from Wisconsin.
Been there, done that, done with it.
Wait.
This in I guess it was only 1 year they made these?
I'm not sure about that. No, it was just like for, I don't know how long it was. I have to do more research.
But it wasn't very long.
Yeah, for a door and a door.
And what is interesting is this is a double hinge. You've got a hinge for this door, and laid beneath it is a hinge for the original door. So that, let me unlock it. So you can see, if you were to come over here, you can see where the second hinge is right here, back inside there. So this door will open, and then this door for that hinge.
We
I'm
had
not
it
sure.
open the other day, didn't we?
No.
When we looked at it? I
No.
thought we did.
No. I'm not sure why they do that, or what the purpose was. Let's see if I can. There we go. There we go.
That's cool. That is cool.
They did that because they had a screen
Yeah,
door.
there was a screen. You can see some of the screen is still
We'll be
in here
we'll
somewhere.
be
I
putting
saw
all
it
this
the
back.
other day, right there.
What I want to do is put all that back. I want to see if I can get
I'd love to get a handle
a correct handle for this.
because some of the mechanism is still there.
If we can find it. There's a place online I think I found where you can buy old Airstream parts. There's a company out of Wyoming, I think, that sells them. There's some
I'm sure
remans
there's
and
stuff.
some originals.
Patre Mall for a 68-year-old unit.
I better lock this so nobody gets in here.
We are in love.
Merry Christmas, happy birthday.
Thank you. We just noticed that
This piece of glass is just looks like double taped in here.
it's got double-sided.
How did it make it here?
There ain't nothing holding it in. I
Oh
said,
my goodness.
it's got 2 pieces of tape.
I think the hinge is still here from the original window. I'll have to, it looks like it. I'll have to. Oh, look at that. It's not even attached at the top. That's a miracle I made it home. To our home.